Hello YouTube viewers, thank you for tuning into my channel today. And I am in my closet. I started last week to organize it and I just finished today. So I want to show you stuff, but I want to give you a little fast tour first, just so you can make sense out of my closet. It's not a huge closet and I share it with my hubby. Right now I'm showing it to you from here. Now this is like the entrance here, so you can see all my hubby's clothing there, and I'm using that center wall there and all that side right there. So I have like a side and a half to display all my stuff and still have my clothing in there. So you see, it's not a huge closet, but I just made the best of it in space. Okay, so I'm going to show you what I have here, and behind the door I hang all the bags right there. Anyway, let's start over here. Look at this leopard trinket. Look at how pretty it is. I got it at a flea market recently. My hubby had given me the owl, and I found it so pretty that I went to get other ones. Look at how pretty. So then I have a whole bunch of shoes, my shoe collection, and some bags too. Look at the boots back there. I have 2 mirrors there. And look at the boots. I don't get tired of my little pretty things. I know that these won't end up in any yard sale or anything because I just love these. And then perfumes. I'm not a big fanatic of perfumes, but I love the bottles. So I have them because, you know, people have given me the perfumes, but I love the bottles. So that's why the perfume is not used. Then I have those other shoes that are also perfumes. There's 2 of those. Then this little one here, look at her on a coffin. I got it for $3 at a flea market. Look at how pretty. Then I have this sofa here, single sofa. Now I have the love seat over there, which I'll show you in a minute. But this is actually a jewelry box. See? You can put stuff in there. And then I have some dolls here. Look at the dolls. I have a whole bunch of dolls. I got them at yard sales. I get a lot of stuff at yard sales, flea markets, thrift shops. You know, and TJ Maxx, Hobby Lobby, wherever I see something that, you know, goes with my collection. Then over here, right? Look at that bag. I have 4 different colors. This one I displayed it with blue shoes. And the one back there, you see it? It looks like glass. It's really a plastic shoe, and I got it at Walmart in the Christmas section. So if you go to Walmart during Christmas, check there. You might just find it again. It's beautiful. Then I got these other mannequins and all that at different, you know, places, yard sales. This one, my hubby's aunt was making a yard sale, and we were swapping stuff from the tables. And I got this little cutie here. Look at that. Now this one I got at TJ Maxx. This one. And that one over here. No, I'm sorry, not TJ Maxx. What am I saying? Hobby Lobby. I got that one at Hobby Lobby, and this one at Hobby Lobby. Sometimes you forget where you get stuff from. I gotta think sometimes. Then I have like 3 of these mirrors. Somebody gave them to me. Pretty gift. And oh, I forgot to tell you. Okay, so this bag, right? 1, 2, 3, and where's the 4th one? Oh, right here, 4. Those 4 came together in a pack, and I got them at a yard sale. Perfect for my collection. So all this is sitting on a piece of plywood that's wrapped in wrapping paper, but it's a pretty thick wrapping paper, so it really looks really pretty, and you can't tell that it's a piece of plywood, which gave me more space by putting it that way. Look at that. So now I have another floor there to place that. Then I have this unit here, which gives me space for 3 floors. 1, 2, and 3. No, wait. Starting from down there. 1, 2, and 3. 3 floors on the unit. So then I added the plywood. So I have 4 floors. 4 floors worth of space. And you know what? 5. Because I had that floor, right? And it goes all around. And that's how I display a lot of this stuff, which is separate from the dollhouse miniatures. So that's where my clothing starts, and then it goes like an L shape. I use that side too. Then all my pants, I hang them there, down there. Then I have this here. These mirrors were my mom's, 2 of them. I love the border. And then the bags there. Then I have other stuff under there. So then these albums, during the pandemic, I took it upon myself to do the job, and I was just so tired. It was such a big job. I took all my pictures, all the pictures that I had, and I got albums, and I started labeling them, and I just got so tired. Every time I would tackle this job, my neck would hurt, and I would just get so tired. I just wanted to finish with that, because I have tons of albums. Those albums, and I have more in there, and then I have in there too. And it was just a lot of work putting those pictures together, and time consuming. So it's still not perfect, because I still have somewhere another box over there with loose pictures to find a place for. And then right there, I don't know if you could see it, it's a musical sewing machine. And then I have some other stuff there. There's a picture of my friend. We were on the bus that day. Oh, look, a picture of my mom here when she got married. Look at how pretty. May she rest in peace. Look how pretty. And that's a musical box, also belonged to her. Then these shoes I got at a yard sale. They're all attached, and they're candle holders. Look at that. Then I got the dolls right here. I have another section over here, more dolls and carnival winnings like that one there with the glasses. Then I have some clowns here. Look at that. I'm gonna make a separate video of my clown. Then I have more stuffies right here. I used every inch of my closet. That's a drawing of my son back there. And then I have pictures of him here. That was when he was little. That's another picture of him. Then I have a piggy bank there. And on the wall, some of those are cards and some of them are from calendars. So that one up there is from a card. A card. Those are cards up there. And I love cats and dogs and bears. And what else didn't I go through? Oh, then I have these crates. You see this black crate right there? That one and that one are holding the plywood that I told you about, that I wrapped in with wrapping paper. So those two black crates go with these two here. These are being used, but these allowed me to make extra shelving by placing that plywood right on top of on both ends. So I was able to display all this just by doing that. Then up there, I had this rack. It was like a metal rack. And I took some wire and I attached it to the top of that rack. And now it's holding all the little dolls without taking any space in the closet. Then up there, I have a whole bunch of other dolls and jewelry boxes. That one here, this one is a bank. I've had it since I was little. My grandmother gave it to me. So that's the rest of my closet on top. Like I said, I used every inch of it. Why don't we go over here? That's a picture of me and my hubby right there. And I have a painting here, but the glare, okay, right there. So you could take a good look at it. That figurine there is over 35 years old. That one and that one. And they cost me about $12 at the time. I remember where I bought them too. I bought them in a store called S&M. I don't know if that store still exists, but that's where I bought them. Well, I think that's it. We're going to be leaving my closet, and I hope that you enjoyed this tour and the ideas of how you can, make the most out of the space that you have. It might not be a huge closet, but I try to get everything in here. And this is not counting my doll houses and the miniatures. This is other stuff like dolls and, yeah, other miniatures, but these are not the tiny ones. This is my other collection. And this is a picture of me in middle school right there. Another picture of me. Then this jewelry box right there. I've had it since I was little. My aunt gave it to me, and she bought it in a store named Buy Right. I don't even think they have that store anymore. But you could put money in there, and it's really pretty. It's a little bit damaged, but it came with chocolate. And I think that's a good idea, sell products like that have like chocolate, and you could still have those products forever after you eat the chocolate, but they don't make stuff like that anymore. Alrighty, well, I think I'm going to end the video here. Okay? And I thank you for watching, and I hope that you enjoyed it. Okay? Let me go behind the door here so that you can see most of it from this angle. See it? That's what it looks like. It might look a little cluttered, maybe, but I placed everything as neatly as I could. A lot of these are keepsake things, so Usually you don't throw out your collections or unless you're tired of them, but I'm not tired of it yet.